Must be cold. This camera's not wanting to function properly out here. Good morning, everyone. It is Sunday morning-ish. And I've got the heater fired up. I hope I don't live to regret it if we get a power outage, because we tend to do that. Welcome to my messy abode. I got to work on this today. That's why I got the heater going. And then I had a copy of that photo done that I use as my page's I guess channel picture or whatever of me holding up that 10-point buck. I had a 8x10 done of it, and I'm gonna gather up some of this material here and make another one of them little wall hanging deals that I did for the two deer I had killed with one shot during muzzleloader season. But yeah, it's cold. I can see my breath. I'm just waiting on it to warm up a little more in here before coming out and getting back to work. And then I may try to piddle around. I got so much stuff because, you know, I got stuff over there for a future cabin. I got that refrigerator that I traded for. It's a propane, electric, or battery. And then I've got to decide what I'm going to do with this old Magic Chef propane stove. That may go in the cabin, or that may go to cache towards the cabin. Who knows? And then I have another stand I need to put together for that crappy bandsaw. Yeah, there's just a lot of stuff. I got plywood still that I've got left over to finish the boat with. And then I need to piddle around with this tray, because it got jacked on me, so it's got a rack. That's the better word for it. So I gotta get it straightened out. But anyway, I'll be out here in a little bit and get that tripod set up and do a little filming and just kind of at least keep the vlogs going or vlogs going, and keep some of you in the loop that are interested. And anyway, I'll be back shortly. That's the temperature here in Mustang, Oklahoma. We got Canada's weather down here. I think it got lost. 1 degree. Of course, it could be worse. I've got some folks up north that yeah, they're in the negatives, and I do mean big time negatives. But I just been kind of bouncing around trying to stay busy. I just clear coated this stove tray. This is a stove tray number 2. This one's a money tray. And then those 4 pieces of fence picket right there I cut up 16-inch lengths. That's going to be for my next wall hanging. I went to Wally World and had the I think I might have even mentioned it earlier in this little videos that I'm putting together. But I had a 8x10 done, and I'm going to put it in a kind of center top, and then have another little placard ordered from that guy I bought that one from Amazon for the double shot. And that's what I'm going to start doing, is getting all my pictures from deer hunting, from the deers that I had gotten, and do photographs and put them on the wall there in the man cave. But anyway, that's a quick update. I'm just, like I said, I'm just pedaling. Probably should be cleaning. Yeah, I think so. But I'm just trying to shore up some stuff. I still got that little shelf thingy majigger I was working on. That's the cedar I use for those wall plaques for the European mounts. I just unfortunately didn't get to make one this year. But I did put meat in the freezer, so that's cool. Anyhow, yeah, that's what we're doing. I'm going to figure out what I want to do with that little boat. First of all, I need to clean cobwebs out of it. And I got to build another stand and yeah, got some stuff to do and some cleaning to do. But anyway, I'll get these glued together next. Take them in the house and do it that way. All right. Yeah, stay tuned. All right. Good morning, everyone. It's President's Day, and it's about 10:30ish. I had just, not long ago, finished up with this last stove tray, so both of them are ready for delivery, and still kind of dilly-dallying. I'll bring you back here in just a second. I don't know how well you can see that, but there's the big snow drifts up on our front porch from yesterday, and we got more coming. And here in Oklahoma, we're not used to below zero temperatures, so yeah. Give me just a second. Okay, this is our back door, and yeah, I got my wood pile. It's under snow now. I normally keep it underneath, by the back door so that it's kind of sort of out of the weather. I did manage to, I don't know if you can see it or not, I got my wood pile covered to keep the snow off of it. But it drifted up against the back door, so I got to get that done. Okay, now we're back out in the garage. There's my heater, and it's aimed at the water closet where the hot water tank is located. Yeah, we woke up to no hot water this morning. That line was froze, and we still had cold water. So I turned the heater and faced it towards that closet, and we got it thawed. So thank God, no broken pipes. And then my last project, I had it all glued up and on this table and stuff, and left it overnight, and as you can see, it's all stacked up for me to clean all the glue off of it because it didn't hold. I tried a shortcut, and of course every time I try a shortcut, it never works. So I'm gonna get that cleaned off with my grinder. Just kind of buzz it real quick. Left my dadgum glue out here in the garage, so it's needing to warm back up, so that may take a little bit. But yeah, you'd think I'd know not to take shortcuts by now, but I always manage to talk myself into it. And then I guess I need to put some new molding underneath our garage door. Probably going to have to replace this garage door because it's broken in a couple of places, like right there. And I think on the outside of it, you can't see it from the inside, but the outside, one of these hinges is cracked. Or the outside of the garage door is cracked, so I got to fix that. So I guess I've never tried it before, but I wonder how difficult it would be to put as a do-it-yourself project on a garage door. I'll see what people run into. Anyhow, I'm going to get that cleaned up and take it inside, and I'll glue it in the man cave and work on it there. Okay, yeah, any changes come along? This is going to be kind of one of those videos where I'll just kind of vlog this, that, and the other while we got this storm going on, and then put it together. Since the last video where I had 200 subscribers, I've moved up a little bit. I got 212 now, so that's kind of cool. And those that have subscribed, thank you very much. Appreciate that. And I'll try to uphold my end of the deal and come up with some better videos and stuff. Oh yeah, there's another project that I could probably knock out. That Lodge Dutch oven belongs to a buddy of mine, and hello. Somebody didn't take very good care of it, and I think they found it, so I can't give him any grief over it, but I'll mix up some vinegar, let it soak, and start cleaning it, and then put another round of seasoning on it. Okay, I'll if I'm not boring you to death, stay tuned. We'll get something going. See you shortly. All right, guys, it's Monday evening, 15 till 7, and I've got this glued up again, and I got two and glued two, and then I got them glued together to make the rest of that picture frame. And I'm going to use, I told you about it. There's the photograph that I'm going to put in the center, or well, I'm going to put on that. There's the stovetop trays. Those are ready to deliver, and we're just trying to stay warm. I shoveled a trail out to the vehicles and got them started and going. They that cold sure did kind of lag the batteries a little bit, but we're okay. People all are. A lot of people I know have gotten frozen pipes, and like I said, we ran into that set of circumstances this morning. But fortunately for us, we caught it in time and got the water flowing again. So we're so far so good. It's just I know I've got friends up north that are laughing at me right now, but man, we're not used to this kind of weather in Oklahoma. -3, -4. Wind chills dragging it down even further than that, and snow that deep. It's waist deep in between the house and the stockade fence. I'm going to pull some photographs and I'm going to add them to this video and kind of show you what's been going on. But I'll be back in here a little bit later to check on this, and whenever it's ready, I'll glue that photograph down, and then I'll get my rope and give myself a rope border like I did that other photograph, and I'll start hanging them on the wall in here in the man cave. I was hoping to have a trophy buck in here, but I didn't have trophy buck luck. But I did, repeating myself from several other videos, we did fill the freezer, so that's a good thing. Alright, I'll be back a little bit later. Alright, I got my photograph glued down to the fence pickets. And the next step is to cut off some rope, get it burnt, as far as burning the fuzzies off of it, and do a surround around the photograph, and get the little placard ordered that will go down beneath the photograph, and that wall hanging will be done. As a matter of fact, it'll be hung up before the little plaque gets here. So, and I'm thinking, I think there's 4 pictures. There's a total of 6, but one is that double shot, so you got 2 deer, and I'm trying to figure out how I want to set it all up. I know I'm going to do some sort of grid, and I'm now kind of toying with the idea of moving the 9-point European mount in here, kind of center top, and then go around the deer head with the photographs. Or I could move this over to the center, because that is a actual wood scroll saw cutting of the European mount of the 9-point. I might do that. We'll see. Alright, I'll be back. Alright, I just finished gluing that up, but not without a little bit of collateral damage, but my wife should be able to repair that. Yeah, hot glue dropped on it, and in my ignorant haste, I ended up, it sticks better sometimes to what you don't want it to, better than it does to the surface you want it to stick. But anyway, there's the rope border. All I need now is my little plaque that'll give the date and stuff and that sort of thing. But anyway, that one's done, and it's just gotta get it put on the wall. Okay, that's kind of what I had in mind. Looks like there's some bubbles in that where they're sticking it down. I could see. Yep. I better not mess with it any more than I have to. I'm kind of prone to screwing shit up, so better leave it alone. But here it is. And then that. And eventually I may, if circumstances allow, another European mount can go where that plaque's at. And then there's the double shot. I got to get a, still got to get that deal done. I have a plaque made for that photograph because that's the first buck I got. And so, yeah, of course, getting a glare. And yeah, then I'll find something to put back in that spot. Probably another one of them metal signs or something. But anyway, I think I'll bring this video to a close and start working on another one of some sorts. Not sure yet what it'll be, but yeah, let me close this door. There. Got a bass guitar if anybody wants one. $200 I think would be a good price for that old PVT-20. Alright, I'm going to bring this one to a close. You guys stay warm, stay safe, and the bright side is we do have warmer temperatures coming soon. I think it's next weekend, not this one, but the next one. Anyway, stay safe, y'all. See you soon.